Ajore na UPDF nyezda yata kisili kare itomano district angono da Abim anoda engarakina itije Eruruok lokopekwa na Buangun.
We have already brought a brigade, 501 brigade, and it has started deployments. Therefore, serious operations are going to begin in those identified areas, including the hills where the criminal elements have been hiding. Therefore, I'm assuring the people of Abim that the security of Abim is going to normalize.
Then start taking
Ide ngare no koluda Abim kezda pote delosi akalo na ada ikokola kalelo muntoso tomano kotido aichebo kinta ngasenene itunga kech.
Our people, the Jie, the warriors comes, they kill, they rape, they collect all the food items from the house, and then people are left in dilemma. People run away on the hills, they meet the mosquitoes there. That's why in Abim sub-county, the level of malaria has gone high because of warriors. So as I talk now, every day, every night, me as a chair, I don't sleep. Every time you get the calls from the community, chairman, these people are here, what can you do? The problem we had before was the number of the forces we have on the ground, especially in Abim sub-county. We have few forces.
And killing of the people using the arrows and the bows, as you might have seen the pictures. To the extent we picked information that when they come across any male person in Abim, that one do not spare, they will take and kill.
Ida muno nyesido kwa nataka nubere mot akalo na ada irare ye mutebe ada Ajore yatakin ikesi likare lude pote kwa na ingaraki na itoloto ipotoloi ay kamangunulu arokok.
I believe by sending the UPDF personnel, we are good to go. I have a belief that peace will return to our district, to our region, and to other parts outside the region of Karamoja. Today we had a meeting and we agreed in that meeting that we need to put maximum cooperation with the UPDF personnel.
some detaches were created, at least the situation, much as I may put it at around 20%, it is somehow, but not yet. In fact, a lot of effort is still needed. Awach in particular is surrounded by hills, and these are some of the habitats. These are the place where some of these warriors hide themselves. This is the hideouts. So I would request that, if possible, some operations or lethal operations be done on top of those hills.
Sanity has shown up, and we are going to secure the people back to normal activities. My appeal to the community is to cooperate with security. Those who are collaborating with the enemy, with the warriors, should withdraw from that, because we have identified them. They should withdraw.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Abim.